Dubare Elephant Camp is a popular tourist destination located on the banks of the river Kaveri in the Kodagu district of Karnataka, India. Dubare Elephant Camp offers a unique blend of adventure, wildlife interaction, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination for nature and wildlife enthusiasts. Here are the details about the camp. History about the Dubare Elephant Camp. Dubare was originally established as an elephant training camp by the Karnataka Forest Department. Historically, elephants were trained here for logging operations and other forest department activities. With changing conservation priorities, the camp has transitioned from a traditional training camp to a hub for ecotourism and wildlife conservation. The camp plays a crucial role in the care and rehabilitation of elephants. Many of the elephants at camp are retired from forest department operations and are provided with a safe and nurturing environment. The camp focuses on educating visitors about the importance of elephant conservation. It offers insights into the life of elephants, their role in the ecosystem, and the challenges they face. Elephant Camp promotes sustainable tourism practices, ensuring that tourism activities do not harm the natural habitat or the elephants. The location of the Elephant Camp is near Kushalnagar in Coorg district, Karnataka, India. It is elephant training camp and ecotourism site managed by Karnataka Forest Department and Jungle Lodges and Resorts Limited. Tourists can participate in feeding the elephants. Visitors can watch elephants being bathed and even participate in the activity. Elephant rides are available for tourists to enjoy the natural surroundings from a different perspective. Visitors can also enjoy boating in the river Kaveri during certain seasons. Rafting opportunities are available. Guided nature walks and treks are available to explore the surrounding forest area and learn about the local flora and fauna. The camp is home to various wildlife species including birds, deer, and other animals that can be spotted in their natural habitat. The camp offers educational sessions about elephant conservation, their habits, and the ecosystem. The camp offers comfortable cottages and tents for overnight stays. These accommodations are managed by Jungle Lodges and Resorts Limited. The best time to visit Elephant Camp is between October and March when the weather is pleasant and ideal for outdoor activities. Elephant Camp offers a unique and enriching experience, combining wildlife interaction with nature exploration, making it a perfect destination for families, nature enthusiasts, and adventure seekers. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Elephant Camp. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Somesh Travel World for more amazing travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.